Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the use of AI as a way to check for vulnerabilities in software is quite interesting. Um, you know what? We look at this month. If you're a Windows user and if you are a Microsoft Edge user, for example, or even a Chrome user, because they had pretty much the same security flaws. We have a month where we're close to 1,000 security flaws fixed, browser plus Windows. It is completely crazy. Never did we see that. And imagine how that actually um, impacts the fact that for such a long time we had, puny 30 security flaws or 50 security flaws or 70 security flaws. We would be amazed when we would be 100 plus security flaws. And yet suddenly AI arrives and now it's, oh no, we're 1,000 security flaws in a month for all of that. Shows us that we missed so many security flaws over the years. Means how many security flaws existed in everywhere and everything, from Linux to Mac to Windows. For those that post the comments like, oh, well, it's Windows. Linux has as many security flaws. Mac OS also. So stop being a smartass, because I'm sorry, your systems are as vulnerable. There is no such thing as, oh, my system is actually safer than yours. No, it's not. They're all vulnerable to a certain point. That's why security flaws needs to be fixed. And a lot of people, are commenting about, well, those security flaws, they are, this crazy, is bad programming. People should be fired. No, it's a human thing. Any operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, are extremely complex. The complexity of these software, these operating systems, is staggering to a point where it's almost amazing that they work. And it's made by human. The code is, a lot of it is done by humans. And, that's the way it is. It's not that they're bad people. It's not that they don't work. People don't work well. It's just that you don't foresee that the code you just written opens a flaw somewhere. It's not something that's necessarily readily visible or, or available to you. And so the use of AI for all of this and get our security updates, I think is pretty amazing. And I think will help the future to be everybody be safer on every device, including Android. There are a lot of people out there that are searching for security flaws they can exploit before they are fixed. Why? Because it's the best way to get into a machine. It's the best way to take control of anything. So it's quite amazing when you think about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.